Hello everyone, your personal brand strategist Ramandeep Talon is back with a new video. Today I am going to tell you the real story of a man who became the world's renowned brand. John was a struggling blacksmith born in Vermont in the US. John was not able to fulfill the basic needs of his family with his earnings. He was very sad and depressed. And finally, with a heavy heart, he made a decision to leave his family behind and move towards the west. So, my dear friends, with $73 in his pocket, John traveled for 20 days towards west, and finally he reached Grand Autor in Illinois. There he made a small setup and started working. There he came in contact with the farmers, and the farmers used to share their troubles and their problems with John. They were not able to plow their fields properly. The plow slipped again and again, and moreover they had to remove the sticky clay from the plow. The problem the farmers faced was due to the tough prairie soil of that area. He tried to help the farmers. He made several changes in the plow but was unable to give them a final solution. He made several changes in the plow, but still the farmer's problem could not be solved. Slowly and gradually, working on it, John found out that the cast iron plow were not working properly on the tough soil of the prairies. Finally, he concluded that a plow made out of highly polished steel and correctly shaped mold board would be better to handle the soil conditions. So, my dear friends, in 1837, finally he invented the first commercially successful steel plow. This man was John Deere. John Deere. When we hear this name, something clicks in our mind, and that is the tractors of John Deere. John Deere became one of the largest and leading agricultural and construction equipment manufacturers in the world. This story of John Deere teaches us three very important lessons of life. First one, whatever be the circumstances, never lose faith in yourself. Second one, by helping others, we are helping ourselves. And third, and the most important one, is be consistent till you achieve your goal. I hope this video has added value to your personal brand you. If you are new, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you.